You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this actress's name, correctly. I've heard many people mispronounce it. Why? It's actually very simple and easy. So let's break it down. It's Téa, alright? So there's no H, alright? So it's not Thea, it's not Thea, and it's not Tia, alright? There's an E with an accent, and I believe it looks really, to me, much like French, and it's E, alright? So Téa, not Tia, Téa. And her surname looks probably a bit more Italian. This one, Leoni. So Téa Leoni. Téa Leoni. It's easy once you know. Téa Leoni. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.